Hello, I'm here for Boilers2Go to review Vokera boilers. Budget bargain or best avoided? Let's get into the good and the bad. Vokera is a solid value brand in the UK, offering dependable performance for homeowners who want quality without the premium price tag. The pros include high efficiency and excellent flow rates. Plus, their warranty cover is surprisingly competitive for a budget-friendly option. Key models like the Pinnacle and Synergy are built for reliability. They're great for those seeking solid performance on a budget. The range also includes the Vibe Max, the Easy Heat I, and Vision Plus 35C, ensuring there's a Vokera to suit most British households. For smaller spaces, the Compact 25A and Easy Heat Plus combis are popular for their cupboard-friendly size and reliable output. Downsides, occasional low pressure or pilot light issues can crop up. They're common, but usually very easy to troubleshoot yourself. Vokera suits budget-conscious homeowners who want dependable heating and hot water without breaking the bank. Follow Boilers2Go for more expert heating advice and boiler tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.